Here are 6 reasons why Alphabet could skyrocket to $400. In this video, I'll talk about the latest news, also talk about the latest ratings in Tykr, and I'll let you know what I plan on doing with this stock. And of course, if you want to see the ratings on this stock and more, you can join Tykr for free. All right, let's get to the latest ratings. So on the top of the list, everything's AI. Well, a lot of AI improvements around Gemini, including impacts to Google Drive, Sheets, and Slides. Alphabet also announced a collaboration with Waystar to integrate Gemini into their healthcare payment system. And then what are analysts on Wall Street saying? Well, there's a lot of analysts also targeting that $400 mark. All right, now let's see what Tykr has to say. We're going to use a feature called the 7. This is the 7 key steps to determine if a stock is a strong stock or weak stock. Now, before we get started, if you're interested, you can go to Tykr.com, over to education, and then down to calculations. Our calculations are open source for personal use. All right, let's get to Tykr. We're going to walk through the 7. Of course, there's this button here. This is the easy button. You can also filter with the stocks page, the screener feature. You can screen by scores of 5, 6, or 7. Of course, that's the goal. We want to get a score of 5 or higher. Let's see where we end up here with Google. So first off, this is an on sale stock. Stocks in Tykr are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. Green, gray, or red, and only about 15% of stocks in the market make it to on sale. That's very hard to do. So Google is already off to a good start. Next up, we want to see a score. This is the overall financial score. And if you're interested in Tykr, there's these little how it works buttons. You can click these and quickly learn our rating system. This helps you get up to speed very quickly. So getting above a score of 50 on the financial strength is very hard to do. We look at lines like the revenue, net income, EPS, free cash, and a few others. 79 is outstanding. Then we have a margin of safety of 54%. We want to be over 50%. Essentially, getting to on sale, you need a score of 50 or higher and a margin of safety of 50 or higher. If only one of them are above 50, then it's watch. And if both are below, then it's overpriced. And that's where most stocks fall. Most stocks are in that red category. In other words, overpriced. All right, let's keep going. We're on to step 4 already. In the middle, with the 4M Confidence Booster. This is an experience, kind of an interactive experience powered by AI. It takes like a minute or two to get through, and I'm just going to summarize it here for you just to save you time. But we look at not only the math part of investing, but we also look at the meaning, moat, and management. Meaning is the business model. How does a business make money, and how scalable are the revenue streams? I can tell you this right now, Alphabet has a lot of revenue streams and very scalable revenue streams. Then we got the moat. How does it compare to other businesses in the same sector and industry? And then the management is a track record of the CEO. I'll go to the next slide here. We're all about gamification. We're going for a score of 80 to 100. Anything that's 60 to 79 is moderate, and anything 59 or lower is low confidence. I'll close this and we can see our average is 82. So we're at that upper level, that high confidence tier. So far, we're looking really good. Then we want to scroll down to the 5-year chart. And I set my durations here to 5 years. You can set it to whatever you want inside the Tykr settings. But a nice round number to remember is 80%. The S&P 500 typically returns about 80% over 5 years. We like stocks that not only beat the market by 1 year, but 5 years. And in this case, we're at 200%. All right, we're almost done. Let's go to the financials tab. The number one most important line on the financial statements is the EPS, essentially the profits of the company. If you didn't know this, that's the number one thing that's discussed in boardrooms with big businesses. You want to see that EPS or the profits increasing. And in many cases, not all, but many, if that EPS is increasing quarter over quarter and they beat their earnings estimate, which we'll get to in a second, in most cases that share price is going up. And if it misses, like if that EPS is decreasing and they miss an earnings report, in most cases, not all, but most, that share price can go down. So let's go to the EPS line and we can see that EPS is increasing. A slight pullback, it looks like 3 quarters ago, but in general, we have 3 really high quarters. This is looking outstanding. All right, let's keep going. Last tab would be earnings calendar. We want to see 3 quarters in a row where they're beating their earnings estimate, and they are doing exactly that. In fact, let's go back in time a little bit. Just curious to see when their last miss was. That was 2023. Looks like a few quarters in a row, but overall, outstanding. And like I said earlier, we're going for a score of 5 or higher. We're going to click on the 7 and see where we land. And that is 6 out of 7. Those are the 6 reasons why I believe the share price will go to $400. And the big question is, how long will that take? Well, it could happen in the next year. Now, the last question is, what do I plan on doing with this stock? Well, I actually hold Alphabet in my portfolio, and I am buying more. I like the fact that the market is down a little bit. I know a lot of people are kind of freaking out right now. Well, there's a strategy we teach in Tykr called stockpiling. If there's nothing wrong with the businesses we invest in and the market is pulling everything down, that is a good sign. So I'm using this time to buy more of Alphabet, as well as some of the other stocks I hold in my portfolio. I hope this video was helpful. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. If you want to see the ratings on this stock and more, you can join Tykr for free. And of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you're here. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.